Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day, and welcome to Ignorant Industries. My name is Lou Hornberger, and I'm your chief ignoramus here at Ignorant Industries. Today, we're looking at Funnelvio, the newest offering from top marketer Neil Napier. Let's take a look at this funnel creation, hosting, everything built in program that he has just released. Let's take a look. I am here at my Funnelvio bonus page with all the details on Funnelvio and the bonuses that you get if you purchase through one of my links. We'll get to those in just a moment. So there is Funnelvio. It allows you to build and profit with ultra fast loading funnels. These are funnels on the interwebs. It's hosted in the cloud, and you create them. And some of you may have heard of a product that starts with click and ends with funnels. This is a one-time payment instead of monthly. I know there's people paying $300 a month for unlimited funnels. This is a whole heck of a lot less. One payment. All right, so if you're interested already, this is important to note. My bonuses and the introductory pricing will change. All the introductory pricing ends when this timer goes to 0. So if you want to see this timer where it's at when you're here now watching, if you're watching the video on YouTube, you want to go to the link. There's a link in the description down below that'll take you to this bonus page so you can see exactly how much time is left on these bonuses being available, because after the introductory pricing, the price starts going up. Now, there are some coupons that will be available to you if you're still early bird pricing, which is during this time. But after that, this price is going to skyrocket. And then Neil said it's going to become a monthly fee. So you don't want to have to deal with monthly fees. So if you're already on Clickfunnels, you want to get over to Funnelvio so that you don't have to pay those monthly fees. So remember, click on this green button right here. There'll be a bunch of these green buttons on my bonus page. Any of them will take you over to my bonus to the sales page where you can buy Funnelvio. Let's take a look here. All right, so the video you're watching right now will end up right here. Our policy here at Ignorant Industries is not to post a video until we've actually filmed it. So there's another one of those green buttons. So what is Funnelvio? Funnelvio is a pay once, unlimited use, epic funnel builder. All right, you're not limited to a couple funnels here and there. When you have Funnelvio, even if you just buy the front end, even if you just buy the opener beginner package, you have an unlimited number of funnels for up to 5 websites. It is a cloud-based app. All right, so that means you don't have to install it. It'll work on PC, it'll work on Mac, it'll work on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. It'll work on everything. And it is faster than anything else. They have built it in such a way that it moves very quickly. Point and click, easy to serve members of all experience levels. So even if you're an experienced funnel hacker, as they say, you'll be able to use this right away. Beginners, you'll be able to use this right away. It is fully responsive. Here's the cool thing: mobile-friendly, fast-loading pages it creates. Something like 75, 80% of people browsing your websites and your funnels are going to be doing it on mobile. You've got to be mobile ready. This is. It includes all your needed split testing and tracking tools. And it supports 5 pricing types for maximizing your profits and your conversions. All right, so there is Neil. Neil and his team bring you a funnel product that is super fast and lets you clone. This is one of the cool things he's got here. Lets you clone any funnel on the web. Doesn't matter where it's from. You'll be able to grab it, clone it, so it goes into your Funnelvio account. That sounds interesting. All right, so you can watch the sales video. There's Neil there with his company shirt on. Another one of those green buttons. So if you get Funnelvio from one of my green buttons, one of my links here, you will get all of these epic bonuses below. The first one is a video creation resources kit. So this will allow you to create excellent videos to put right on your funnel pages to grab people's attention. Videos where it's at. So you can add these elements to your videos, create videos completely using this content. Second thing is, you created those videos, why not do something with them to bring more people to your website, to your funnels, your YouTube channel. Great way to create organic traffic, get people to know, like, and trust you, create a YouTube channel, Brendan Mace, the great marketer, has put together this training on how to explode your YouTube channel, and I'm going to give that to you free if you purchase through one of my links. Video Sales Factory is bonus number 3. What you get with this is a complete sales presentation creation system and video squeeze page generator. So this allows you to go beyond make this part of your funnel as they're moving through to draw people into your business through a video presentation that shows you how to do all that. So again, these bonuses are available if you click on any of my green buttons here. And that's, again, the timer will expire. These bonuses will go away. The early bird pricing will end and the price will go up. All right. So you get instant bonus delivery through JVZoo, which is a platform that Neil and I use. He puts his products up on there. I put my bonuses there, and then you can grab them there. So when you make your purchase through JVZoo, you'll get a website. You'll get to a web page. It'll look something like this, how to access your purchase. The green button will be how you access Funnelvio. The blue button will be accessing your bonuses from me here at Ignorant Industries. So that's me there, Lou, Chief Ignoramus. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to check out my review and my bonuses. You can hop over to ignorantindustries.com and check out all my recent reviews on all the products that have come out recently. Let's take a look at the sales page here on Funnelvio. All right, so there is Neil. That allows you to clone any funnel online, right, to build and profit with unlimited. He calls them Canva style in the sense that they're so easy to use. It's just all these pieces you bring together, and I'll show you inside. Actually, Neil gave me access to the product itself, so I can show you what it does. It's pretty impressive. Ultra fast loading funnels and pages at a one-time price. All right, so he talks about all the reasons you would want it, all the features of it, what marketers are doing with it, and he gives you some proof of that. This is some information about Neil if you're not sure who he is. He gives you a breakdown of the millions he's made selling products online, and those are top-notch products. He's not selling $4 and $5 products. He's selling excellent products here like Funnelvio. All right, gives you all kinds of information on it. I encourage you to take a close look at this. It's a very informative sales page that he takes you through. All right, so what allows you to create the pages. Here's all kinds of stuff you can do with it. And then he gets into the pricing. So here's a comparison between Funnelvio, Kartra, Clickfunnels, and lead pages. For example, Funnelvio has been seeing allows up to 1 million visitors per month. Allows you to have unlimited funnels. Kartra, 20. Number of pages, unlimited. ClickFunnels, 100. All right, all the features that they have here. You see there's all these checks in Funnelvio's and not in anybody else's. All right, so it includes, even these are what they call vendor bonuses. All right, includes bonus training webinars, a funnel building checklist, a traffic hacking checklist that allow you to grow your business through funnels. All right, so here's the pricing. For the personal one, 5 sites, 20,000 visitors per month for the personal license. Unlimited funnels, like I said, unlimited pages. You get a free page importer for 12 months. For the first year, any page you see online, you can click on it and import it into your Funnelvio. After that, it becomes a monthly fee. Apparently, it's pretty intensive and cost intensive for them to keep doing that. There's the bonuses. All right, you get the support 24/5 rock solid support team. I guess they take the weekends off. And it's $67 one time. For $30 more, you get the commercial license. 10 times the number of sites for just $30 more. 100,000 visitors per month permitted, the traffic-wise. That's 5 times for $30 more. Again, the unlimited funnels, more training. There's the hacking, traffic information. And so that is $69 for the personal, $97 one time, not monthly, one time for the professional. So I encourage you, take a look at this. If you're not happy, Funnelvio gives you a 100% money back guarantee. Try it for 14 days, create a few funnels, watch your profits grow. And if at any time during that period you feel that Funnelvio doesn't meet your expectations somehow, they will get you a full refund. You can't go wrong, folks. Give it a try. I want to take you inside Funnelvio now so you know what I'm talking about. All right, so here we are inside Funnelvio. And you see bunch of funnels that have been built. I'm going to show you how easy this is to build a funnel. So here we go. Just take you through the wizard here. Click on new funnel. What do you want to build? Sales funnel, lead gen funnel, product launch funnel, webinar funnel, custom funnel, or that import funnel option. So we're going to go sales funnel. Boom. And it automatically populates it with a pre-sale page, an upsell page, a downsell page, thank you page, and a checkout page. Now, of course, you can rearrange those, you can delete them, you can add additional ones, but it gives you a place to start from. Next, what is the template we want to use? You know what I want to do here? I want to start a pizza place. All right, so I'm going to select the pizza template. There's many pages of templates that you can use, and I'm going to say, let's do pizza. And we're going to call this pizza guy. All right, and then we're going to create the funnel, and now we wait. And it takes a few moments for that to create the pages that we just asked for. Those 5 pages are all generated using the template we selected. Now here they are. They're loading the page, and we hop into the editor here. Wait till you see the stuff that this editor does. Neil and his team have done some pretty impressive stuff. Now, if you've used anything like Elementor or Instapages, you know that things got to be in a certain place, and they're really like HTML, CSS limited. If that means nothing to you, don't worry about it. But for those of you who know what I'm talking about, wait till you see this. So let's see here. You see this guy here, this piece of delivery one? Look at this. You want it over there? You want it down there? You want it on top of that? It automatically adjusts not just X and Y, but Z. And if that means nothing to you, that's okay. You don't need to understand. But if you do understand, you know what I'm talking about. The fact that you can take any of these elements, move them around, then you can go in and edit them, edit the text, and then say, dude, all right? So now I've edited the text, and look, all of a sudden it's right there, and I can move it around anywhere I want. Move the whole page. Look, isn't that impressive? So that's the kind of power that's in this editor, the stuff you can do with this. All right, and when you click on an item, it tells you exactly how far from the edge it is. So you can line things up and adjust things exactly to pixel perfect precision. Say that 3 times fast. All right, so that's how the product works, and then you can preview it. It's not going to look real pretty because I just kind of move stuff around to show you the cool stuff. But there it is. That's what I just created in the pre-sale page, right? It's all built in. You grab that, you insert all your information, boom, boom, boom. Let's go back to the editor. That's what it does. I want to take a real quick look at the upgrade options. All right, so the front end, like we talked about, $67. 5 sites, unlimited funnels, unlimited pages, 20,000. Commercial. It says 77 here because I think right now there's a coupon, as they say, a $20 off coupon. But this might be the early bird pricing. So again, your mileage may vary. It did say 97, but I think there was a coupon. So double check on. Like I said, this pricing is changing. I saw the whole schedule of pricing. It's going up. So the sooner you hop on this, the better. All right. So OTO number 1, everything from the front end plus unlimited sites, unlimited traffic, no longer limited. Even on the Pro, you're at 100,000. If you go with the OTO 1, the first upgrade, you also get his Smart Academy. That is training with Neil, learning how to grow your business, not just the funnels, but all the aspects that are connected to the funnels. That's impressive. I would seriously consider that unlimited option, OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is just the Smart Academy and all of the Smart Academy courses. OTO number 3 are the templates for $97. You have 24 done-for-you funnels within the next 24 months. So that means every month for 2 years, you get new done-for-you funnels to plug in and utilize. OTO number 4 is you get one of his earlier products called Meetvio. This is Funnelvio, Meetvio. See what he did there? And this allows you to do live webinars, evergreen webinars, video meetings, hybrid webinars. And you can, if you grab that OTO number 4, it's $197 a year. Now remember that when this product was released, Meetvio was released, it was a one-done price. But now it's a monthly fee at $197 a month. Or you can pay $497 and get it one time and never have to pay to host webinars again, whether they be live or evergreen. You can't beat that. Look at the prices out there for webinar hosting. It's very expensive. Meetvio, it's a good option. I really like OTO number 1, at $197 to get all the front end plus unlimited traffic. You don't have to worry about traffic. So that is Funnelvio, back to my bonus page here. Just want to remind you of the bonuses that are available as you grab them. Any of these green buttons here, click on the link down below. And there's only one thing left for me to do, is to tell you that Funnelvio impressed me. Powerful application. And that thing left to do is to tell you what our ignorant ranking is on this. I give an ignorant ranking on the ignorant scale of 1 to 5, with 1 being totally ignorant and 5 being absolute perfection. Neil, I give this a 4.9. This is beautiful. I love the way you get that pixel perfect positioning placement. I love the way the pricing is set up, that you can get it once and done, this early bird pricing. I love how you connect your other programs into it and they all work together almost as this marketing suite. So I encourage you folks, take a good long look at Funnelvio. It's a quality product from Neil Napier. Have a great day. We'll see you next time here at Ignorant Industries.